more and more what we're seeing customers use this capability for is consolidating within their environment, within their data centers. So we have a great customer, Commonwealth Bank of Australia, that's essentially embarked on this already, in a service that they call Oracle as a Service, and where they're taking hundreds of database applications from within their data center, pulling them and running them on essentially consolidated database environments. So I think, I would like to reassert that, from a market share in terms of OLTP, online transaction applications, certainly Oracle is actually the leader in that space with the Oracle database. And the database machine just offers our customers the next generation or the next installment in that level of convenience and reducing the risk in these implementations. With the performance that we've seen with the database machine compared to what we're calling conventional architectures, where you've built your own storage subsystem, your own hardware subsystem, and tie those things together, the performance benefits that we've seen and the convenience of it all essentially means Oracle is just going to continue that momentum of leadership essentially. On the data warehousing space, I think, where you would compare Oracle compared to the traditional appliances is essentially as the next generation for data warehousing. Again, there's a couple of key benefits here. One is this next generation is based on industry standards. So we're using x86, we're using PCI, InfiniBand, and those sorts of capabilities. But two is, the next generation is no longer based on just brute force hardware. Brute force hardware comes into it, but there's some key software innovations in Oracle's offering that makes a big difference in how customers deploy data warehouse. And so we're essentially not just throwing hardware at the problem, there's a combination of hardware and software innovation. Now I think the trend of where both these industries are going to go towards is customers are going to go towards a converged single environment. Where traditionally there's been, the OLTP silo and then the data warehouse silo in a data center, we're seeing more and more customers have the data warehouses feeding their real-time business mission-critical systems. And the convergence of those systems is exactly where the Oracle database machine is the perfect fit for customers.
If you look at what offerings we have today for our customers, we have Oracle Platform for PaaS, as it's called, Platform as a Service. There are different service models around cloud, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Platform as a service, for those who are not familiar, it's just a model of delivery where we provide all the building blocks that are all professionally managed, but the service is provided to developers so that they can build and deploy their application. So we have a platform for PaaS that includes a number of our products, including some of the things that you mentioned. So it has operating system, our own hypervisor, which is Oracle VM. We have the grid technology built into the database, middleware. We have a rich set of SOA solutions. So all these come together to form our platform. And now, of course, with Sun, we have kind of broadened this offering even more by including things like hardware, servers. We have newer operating systems like Solaris. And Exadata actually is a very interesting case because it is one step forward toward delivering cloud in a box, because it comes with all the hardware, network, software, everything packaged together. So it allows people to just take one SKU, drop it into their data center, and kind of short circuit all the painful integration that they have to do today.